Hey guys, what's up? If you're new to my channel, I am Allie Sturm and you guys are the aliens. You guys know what the aliens means already, so I won't tell you that. Today I am in my room hanging out with my little sister, Piper. No, I'm just kidding. Like nothing close to that. I'm in my best friend Jane's room.
And I just made a sword.
Away from home. And right now we're playing with slime apparently.
And I made a sword.
Yesterday in school we made slime, which is crazy. Today's St. Patrick's Day!
Whee!
For the wee bookers. Okay. I really don't want to squeal right now. I mean, I would. I'd seriously squeal, but my stomach hurts. But Jane won't let me go home. I'm a kitty. You cannot see my face right now. No,
This is my bubble gum slime.
Wait, what?
Here's the color up close. Wait, let me
Jane, what is your bubble gum slime? Is it called bubble?
Yeah, I'm calling it bubble gum.
Mine's gonna be. What kind of? It looks like a smoothie.
It started off as
Berry smoothie.
It started off as yellow,
Then like pink,
yeah, and then pink,
and then like purpley pink.
yeah, and then purple, and
Just
then
really
cherry glitter. So
I'm gonna
here's
go to the
mine
bathroom. Jane's gonna talk
about slime.
about slime. Yeah. Okay, Jane, please don't do anything bad.
I won't. Okay, so Allie is gone. Okay, she just closed the door. So here's her slime. It's really nice. We just made this like 10 minutes ago with the cheap dollar store glue. But since it's at the dollar store, we load it up. I don't want to crunch bubbles because their slime is really sticky. Okay, so this was really bad when she first made it and it felt like rubber. And she fixed it with lavender vanilla lotion. So that's what I'm doing right now, so I'm going to get this out of the way. Here's my slime. I'm still fixing it because it's dripping. Here's the color. It's like a neon pink. And I'm still using the lotion because this is kind of how hers was. So I'm still fixing mine. And I have a smaller batch than her. So I put some lotion. I mix it in. This sound it's making is so gross. Okay, so I'm just mixing in the lotion.
How much is it?
Flex it back. Nothing.
Jane, what did you do?
Nothing.
Jane.
I just showed them the signs.
Yeah, sure. JK, I am Jane's twin. No, I'm just kidding. I'm Jane's twin Mario. I'm just kidding.
He's just been hiding it from his whole class and her whole family.
Yes.
This is like, what is it? The Parent Trap? Yeah, the Parent Trap. You seen that movie?
No.
Oh, it's a goodie.
Have you put it in
Comment
the...
below.
I wasn't going to say that. Definitely not going to say that.
You were going to say put it in the comments.
No, I wasn't. I was going to say...
Put it in the...
No. If you did, then you should like and subscribe. And put your... Say yes or no.
So what did you name it? Berry
by
smoothie?
clicking, yeah, very smoothie.
Okay, mine's
In the
bubble.
comments.
Okay, even if I need some bubblegum scent, so I'm gonna buy some.
We're going to be making
chapstick.
one more slime today, right in
No,
front of
we're
your face. Right on this table. Yes, we are, Jane. Okay, so let's do this. Hold on. Okay, so first, let's dump the glue.
Such a good color.
Hold on, guys. Let me dump out the glue on the table first. Ah, fatty, no, I don't want this. Okay, hold on. There's the lid on it, so of course. no, I'm just kidding.
Okay, I need a swirl. Take my swirl. Oh, it's smushing. Okay, never mind.
Okay, so now I'm going to dump it. Okay, so this is our glue. Now all we need to do is add some activator. I will be right back.
No, it's not.
Okay, so here's a drop of... Ow! Jane, ow! Fatty!
Slime out.
Okay, now what we're going to do is mix. Okay, I will see you guys after I mix. Okay, guys, so this is our miracle slime. It is the same color that the same color as me and Jane's sort of. Like, it's me and Jane's color sort of mixed together-ish. Like, I used her nail polish and my nail polish and mixed them together to make this color. It's more, for some reason, it's more light than Jane's. I think it looks like it's more light than Jane's. But except mine is more, this one's more purpley.
Here's a
Not
little
mine.
smidge little mine. Oh, but when it's all together, it doesn't.
That's a good butter slime. Like, if you made it into a butter slime. Anyways, so this one's super sticky. I hate it. I do not like this. But we made it on a table, so
It's pretty good for tables.
for table slime, yes. There's a mess all over down by my feet.
Oh my god, if you get slime on my floor, I'm gonna be mad at you.
Like, there is so much slime on the floor. Like,
Do not get slime in my room.
there's so much.
Wait, this window, hold on.
Anyways, let's put this over here.
I'm a vampire. And it's blood and bugs.
Everybody, I have something bad to tell you.
I'm gonna have to turn the
There's
light
something you really don't want to hear from me.
on so we don't hear the dogs screaming.
Oh my god, I have slime all over my camera. Okay, well, you know what? I have something to tell you guys. This was all a joke. I had lotion and water mixed together, and I just rubbed this all over it. And now, look at this. Isn't it the same slime I put down? Well, yep, it is.
And I'm over here for casual.
It's not your YouTube channel. I'm not kidding. This is so watery, I can't do a swirl.
Guys, I tried to do a swirl and I blew slime.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. And if you haven't, subscribe on every single device in your house.
Oh my god, Allie.
Because that will just brighten my day. Okay, whatever. Bye guys.